wanted to shoot a quick video. I know I'm driving, keeping my eyes on the road, but I just wanted to talk about today's webinar, our Saturday live event that we have every Saturday for Online Business App. First of all, every Saturday, our co-owner of Online Business Network, Vincent Ortega Jr., and our mentor also, he is, and his wife, Asia Love, both spent some time training us today. And we had our weekly giveaway, where they give away $2,100 every week to 21 lucky winners who are customers. You don't have to necessarily be an affiliate of Online Business App, but at least a customer, somebody who bought an NFT or, you know, a hat from our online business marketplace or whatever. And then 21 people randomly won $100 each, so that was exciting. And we had a premiere of our new NFT. We had the Bull Runner NFTs, which were bulls, and those are all sold out. Now we have babes, which we found out today for the first time. We saw a video, and our babe avatars, which are NFTs, they talk. They are talking now. We have an Asia Love avatar babe, which Asia did the voice of, and saw her talking about her new mastermind. If you have at least one babe NFT, it qualifies you to get into the $100,000 mastermind on Thursday mornings, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. Asia Love is now doing a mastermind where she shares with us lots of nuggets on being a professional inviter. We don't do selling. We invite people to our live webinar to learn how to make money online, to learn how to make money online and leverage over 1,000 streams of income, which include the items on our marketplace and our all-in-one website builder and our NFTs also. And we have another avatar babe. They're not ready yet as NFTs, but you can buy them. It's a pre-reveal, so you don't know what you're getting. They're babes, women of all different colors, shapes, and sizes. And yeah, they're different than the other NFTs you'll see. These ones are actually worth a lot. They have utility backing them. They're not just pictures. They're actually sketched from the beginning as a sketch. They're not digitally created. They're sketched and then digitally made into 3D. So our NFTs are really top of the line. And the value behind it is our business, that you get entry into the $100,000 mastermind, learning secrets that enabled our mentors to make over 100 million in sales and revenue over the years. And also the utility behind our NFTs is our website builder as well, that we sell, which is an all-in-one website builder that has an email broadcaster. You can make landing pages and funnels and websites and memberships and online stores. It has a CRM and all the academy courses and trainings that teach you how to do it all. So yeah, there's a special right now. If you want to become a customer and get access to the Babe Mastermind, they are normally $997, and they're on special right now so that you can actually get one with the code BABES777 to get them for $49.95. And that babe will get you entrance into Asia's Thursday Mastermind. So that's really exciting. I already have a few babes, and I was at her first mastermind, and it's really exciting. We're starting off with a video challenge, a $2,500 video challenge, where $2,500 the winner will get straight to their MetaMask wallet. And we're doing a video a day, and basically just talking about what we're learning, which is tons of gold nuggets of knowledge that have been consistently helping me to make money online and all of our other members. So that's it for today. I just wanted to do a brief video, but you'll be hearing from me every day. Make sure you follow my YouTube channel, subscribe, so that you'll know when I'm releasing new videos. And also, if you got any value from the video, it would help if you would like my video, give me a comment, and of course, if you subscribe to my video, that helps, because I think I have about 200, almost 200 followers, so maybe I could get to 200 by the end of next week. And I look forward to speaking with you again. Have a great weekend. Bye.